Good evening, guys. This is once again Marcos here, Financial Freedom Investing in Stocks. Today we're going to be talking about Alset EHomes, AEI is basically the ticker symbol. We're going to see what's going on with this company. It's a good company. It's a huge company. It's a new company. It has branches everywhere in medical, in finances, and home buildings, and REITs, energy. It has, wow, so many branches, but it's getting beat down. Literally, I mean beat down to the $2 range, guys. I never thought I was gonna see this company in the $2 range. Alset EHomes. It's unbelievable. My current holding price is $3.40, I think it is. I don't have a lot of shares. I have something. I'm buying more little by little. I don't think we might go under the $2 range really. But let's see what's been going on with this company, what they have new. I like this company. Like I said, it's a huge company. They have a lot of nice things. Basically, they thinking 10 years ahead of everybody else in home development, the ecosystem that goes into a home, which is like you see right there, filtered water, power generation, basically by solar panels, electric cars, smart home systems, so many good stuff that comes in the home pre-built already that people do not have to add afterwards. So we're gonna see here, this is their communities here. I'm sorry, I picked the wrong one here. We're gonna see their community development here. They have currently 2 developments here again. One of them, this one right here, this one in Houston, Texas. It's a huge community, if you guys can see here, basically. It's a nice community, it has a lot of houses. Still under development, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and then we have the other one, which is in Maryland, which is this one right here. This is also a big community. I have a picture of it. It's nice. It's in the suburbs of Maryland somewhere. I think out in the outskirts of Washington, if I'm not mistaken. They're working with NVR for the home builders, home building, which is the biggest home. It says here, biggest home builder in the United States, which will market cap of $16.81 billion and a stock price of $4,000 in the U.S. stock exchange. I have a picture of the development of how big it is. If you guys look here, we're gonna run down here. It says traditional single family homes, which is all these yellow ones here, which they have a model open. Then we got the new traditional single family home, family homes, which is these right here in the middle. Not a lot of them. We got the villas over here, a huge part, which is all the villas right here. And then we got the townhouses that are currently throughout all this right here in the entrance. Basically, I think if I'm not mistaken, this might be the entrance or maybe a future project or something else, because the main road is right here. And we have all these with townhouses. This is going to be the pool with the clubhouse right here. The star means properties that are already done, the houses that are already done, that you could go see the model homes in there. And it says here they're going to have a playground, a pool, clubhouse, a tennis court, Creek Park, Bel Air Creek Park. It says Westview permits. So maybe there's probably a shopping center or something. Maybe they're gonna do out here somewhere, maybe through here or something like that. Okay, this is the one in Maryland, guys. Okay, so they have those projects going. This is the family of Alset family, which basically all these outskirts family, these branches I call them. These are the parts I was telling you. This is the Giga World. This has to do with the internet part of it. This is biomedical, which is they also trying to implement the medic at home through your laptop or a tablet. You could make appointments to see your medic. That was real big now with the pandemic that passed. That we still kind of like in it or something like that. But with the shutdown last year, that was real big last year. That should have helped a lot of people, a lot. We have here American Medical REIT. They are buying a property. They just bought a new property in Connecticut. Let's jump to that right now. We're going to see it right here. It says Alset International Limits Indirect Associate Arm Arrest Management Inc. through American Medical REIT, which that's one of the branches out of Allstate, forgets ahead with the Madigan acquisition of the Ivy Brook Medical Center in Connecticut. Okay, this is the documentation right now. This is on their website. If you guys want to read through it to make sure it's legit and it's right. I'm just reading this little title here. If not, I'll make this video will go on for an hour or more. But it's just so much information, guys. This company is doing so many stuff. It's unbelievable that the price is all the way down there. Obviously, that price I know is going to go back up. It's just a matter of time. They did a share offering. That's why the price is so down. I had the share offering in one of these things here. here in this tablet right here. I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay. This is the stock price currently by Yahoo Finance. It says $2.21. Purchased some today around $2 and I think 24 cents, something like that. Not that many shares, but as you can see, we're just getting hammered, guys. Look at this. It just fell off a cliff, guys. Okay, but I know basically by August, most likely by the end of August, we should be back probably in the $3 range, somewhere around there. But I think easily this should be a $20+ company because it has a lot of good features, a lot of good stuff they doing. Like we just saw, they did the acquisition for their REIT of the hospital in Connecticut. And about the share offerings, it's right here. Alset EHomes International prices 32 million underwriting public offerings of common stock and pre-funded warrants. That's the problem. They did some share offerings. If you want, we could open it. Let's see through it a little bit here. At $2.11, they did the share offerings prices here. Right here. It says right here, okay? It says here, to be issued by the company at a price to the public of $2.12 per share, and pre-funded warrants to purchase 8,660,200 shares of the common stock at a price of $2.11 per pre-funded warrant. The pre-funded warrants were on exercise price of 0.01 per share. Okay, guys, so that's a lot of money out of the pocket of the company. Basically, these warrants, they have to something, I don't understand them a lot. I know these warrants are something that go in when the company's gonna come out for the first time, like IPO, something like that. They get the opportunity to get some warrants because they higher risk, and they have a set date that you cannot take the money out up to a certain close date. And then once that close date comes around, that's when you have to take the money that they offering for those shares, depending on the share price. I think it's something like that. I don't know a lot about it. That's just some little bit of details I know about it, okay, guys? But this is the reason why the price fell down so much, okay? Just because of that share offerings. They did one, I think, probably 2 months ago. Also, the price went down again, but we saw price return like around $4 and something cents. It came back again, and now we're back down in the $2 range, guys. I think this is a great price. I am not a financial advisor, but I think personally this is a great price to get in, guys, okay? Back to here, remember they have all these branches out here in different companies. These are some developments they have about houses. The designs, these are nice, very nice. These are California style houses. You look at them, they're pretty nice and fancy homes. They look nice and decent and clean. And pretty much eco-friendly. Why I say eco-friendly? Because most likely they have probably windows that open, and they, as you can see, there's 2-floor houses. When you have 2-floor houses, and well, in these photos they show them by themselves. Well, you got a lot of air circulation around the house, so that helps out with the coolness of the house, especially if you're on a little hill or something. The breeze will go in the house and cool off the house, okay, guys? That's why I say, like, they look like a pretty good eco-friendly homes. Most likely they probably have solar panels and all that, and all the goods that go with them, because this is what this company is specializing in. This is the Texas style homes, very nice homes. Also, these are the 4 models they have for the Texas region, which they are going to be expanding down there in the Texas region. I'm most likely probably the Austin area. Everybody knows that these big companies from California are moving over to Austin. So Austin is right now is blowing up, man, blowing up towards building houses, building communities and all that for people to go live there. The same thing in Florida right now. A lot of people have moved to Florida. Florida has a booming housing market right now. There's a shortage of houses in Florida. So the houses that are available, they overpriced here in Florida, guys. Literally, I live in Florida, man. These houses, the prices are ridiculous. Okay, they just outrageous, the prices down here in Florida, because there's a squeeze here on the houses that are available for sale in here. But they do not. Right now, Alset Homes are not building, that I know of, houses here in Florida. Okay, should be a good idea. They should do it because they could take advantage of this housing boom that's going on. Okay, this is another feature I saw good that's in Alset EHomes. This is organic farming, and I've always said on my other video, it's been a while I did my other video, but I think this is a good idea. It's like a 20-foot container. This 20-foot container you can put in the back of any house and contain a farm. The AC, obviously with the lights that go with the indoor farming. I'm gonna go here to Yahoo Finance. It says here that Alset EHomes International Inc.'s arrangement with program to provide patented air and surface purification systems for its e-home communities. I'm sorry, I know I said the name wrong, man. Okay, guys, as a company there, but they partnered with them to provide cleaner air and surfaces for their homes that Alset Homes is building, guys. Okay, remember, Alset Homes, guys, like I said, is a whole package that they go with health, ecosystem, which is friendly power, solar panels, electric cars, they're making them eco-friendly homes with smart home security, internet, everything's connected through the internet basically in the home, the doors and locks, cameras, alarms, solar panels, Tesla battery wall. They have so many. This is a home filtered water system, and now with this purification system, patented. Has a patent, the design for the air and surface purification systems, okay, for in-home use, guys. There's a patent on it, so nobody could just copy this idea that from this company to integrate it into the homes that Alset Home is building. Okay, we got here, there's another good one right here. This is Alset EHome partnering with Tesla, guys, to develop e-homes in Texas. Remember, Alset EHomes, like I said in the beginning, they have a project already. This was before Tesla, to build in Houston, Texas, in the Woodlands area in Houston, Texas, which I said in my other video, is off of I-75. Is it I-75? No, it's not I-75. It's I-45, if I'm not mistaken. I-45 that runs up to Dallas and Houston. They building it right there, the Woodlands, right in the outskirts of Houston. They building this massive complex there of houses. This was before this partnership that we're talking about here with Tesla. So probably these houses here are going to be in the Austin area, because remember, Tesla is building a huge giga manufacturing plant down there in Austin, Texas, guys. So we see here that Tesla partnered with them. Maybe there's some they're gonna go through some designs. Tesla's, I think here says they're gonna provide them with solar panels somewhere around here. Alset Homes International sells and leases residential properties in the United States. Remember, they don't do this just in the United States. This is a worldwide project. Alset Homes is in Asia, is in Australia, in the United States, in Canada. They have so many branches all over the world, guys. This is a huge company. That's why I don't understand why the shares are so, trading at such a little bit price, even though they did a share offerings. I don't understand. That's why I think these shares are value. They should have a bigger value than what they have. Okay, it says here, the property developer has gained 52.2% in the past month, but has lost 12.3% over the past year. They're talking about the finances, I guess, here. It says here, per the terms of the deal, Tesla will initially supply solar products, namely PV solar panels, power walls, and EV chargers to be installed in 20 single-family homes. These homes are located at the North Park community in Porter, Texas. Okay, so I guess they are building other projects that they don't have it here in the website yet. He's in Porter, Texas. That's not the Houston area, Texas, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I lived in Houston area, Texas, and that's and not there in the Porter, in the Houston, Texas area. If I've never heard about it. So they have another project, I guess, going down there in the Porter, Texas, where in 20 homes. Well, you see they're gonna put solar panels, the EV charger, and Tesla power wall on it, guys. Okay, so this is just a startup here. They partnered with Tesla. I guess if Tesla likes what they're gonna do, I guess this is a long-term project if Tesla actually likes it, and probably give some good rates. Also, this is gonna help Tesla for the sale on EV chargers, the solar panels, and the power wall, and probably even with electric cars, because at the beginning, I know Alset Homes was offering Teslas for people that bought homes with them. Okay, guys. I got here other news here. This is another news here. It says here, Alset EHomes will begin process to seed majority-owned residential real estate investment trust, American Home REIT, where first 20+ occupied rental homes. Okay, this is another branch of Alset Homes as another REIT. It says here they have 20+ homes already occupied a long-term lease and they're going to start up this American Home REIT with. Okay, guys? So this is going to be another branch of income. So this is another project. Once again, this is on the website, Alset EHomes, guys, if you want to go through it. Remember, the other one was the hospital in Connecticut for the medical REIT. And now this is 20 plus homes for the American Home REIT, guys, okay? So we got two good projects there already going down there, okay? Now the financial overview, we're just going to do this real fast here. The financial overview, Alset International announces earnings turnaround with net profit of $56.1 million for the year ended 31 December 2020. The group's revenue has decreased by 5.6 million or 18% from the 30.6 million in the year end 31 December 2019 to 25 million in 2020 due to nil revenue generated from the property development project located in Houston, Texas, Black Oaks, and the revenue generated from the property development project located in Frederick County, Maryland, USA, Burger Run, decreased to 21.2 million in 2020. Okay, guys? So this is information here. This is also on the website. This is from page 10. It gives information, financial review. And then we're going to go here to the bottom line. The bottom line says here, according to the group reported a net profit attributed to owners of the company of 56.3 million in 2020 compared to a net loss of 13.1 million in 2019. So currently to this, we probably, it seems like we ended up in the green, at least for this quarter currently, right now, how things are going pretty good. And remember, for coming out of the pandemic, screwed up a lot of stuff, different companies. I think a lot of companies are still struggling through that, especially companies that have to do with homes, because like we saw, wood prices just went real high, man. Cost of labor is going higher, so that's putting stress on these houses. The cost of the houses is going a lot higher, guys, so not everybody can afford these houses these days. That's what I had today, guys, for Alset EHomes. Don't give up on this project, don't give up on this company. It's a good company. They have a nice, decent website. They have a little video. I'm gonna play the video now for you guys at the end. Right now, we already done. Okay, I appreciate your time, guys. Have a nice week.